Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and today we're outside Dollar Tree. We're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you all the new items that you need to pick up for summer. It's getting ready to rain on us. All right, you guys, I am blown away by all of this beach decor that Dollar Tree has out right now. If you're into nautical beach decor, you need to check these out. There's so many great new things. Let me show you some of my favorites. They have these new planters. These huge cork signs are so cool, you guys. One has like an octopus on it. Look how big that is. It's got a wood back. And then this is like a seaweed. These would look so cute together in a bathroom. Oh my goodness. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight, that look in your eyes. So these little, I don't even know what you call this. It's like an iridescent look that has like a rainbow finish. These are very popular right now on high-end sites. Dollar Tree has them. They also have one that's like a blue iridescent. The iridescent is super popular. There's an iridescent water bottle. It says it's BPA free. So Dollar Tree also has a whole new set of summer gift boxes. These are great to DIY with. You can also put Mother's Day, Father's Day gifts in them. Of course, you guys know that planters are always a big hit this time of year. Let me show you the new ones I think you should grab. This is definitely one of my favorites. Love the pattern on it. We also spotted this light blue one. This seems to be a new color for this year. And you guys, you could always like pop these out at the bottom for drainage. So these metal garden hooks, they're not new, but this is the time of year that they have them out, and it's great to pick these up because these are great in DIYs. They have a smaller size, but they also have a larger size as well. Dollar Tree has a new item, which is correction tape. You can get it in red or blue. I just spotted some new mirrors. Love these. These are perfect for DIYs. There's this one. They also have this pattern and this one. You guys, Dollar Tree always has new jars. These little iridescent ones I think are so pretty. I'm gonna try to show you guys all the different styles they have. There's this one as well. You could do 3 of these in a grouping. So pretty. This one's a little bit different too. I just spotted this one. I just spotted this pack of burlap trim. This would be great for DIYs and crafting. Oh, cool. You guys, check out these Flower Market canisters. These are definitely new. They would make great planters. I love them the way they are. I love it when I find something at Dollar Tree that I don't have to DIY. I can just use it exactly as it is. These are new, you guys. Look, these are little cutting mats you can use to craft with. I love using these. This one's 6 by 8 inches. Check out these stickers, you guys. Those are cool. And then another thing we were just looking at are these laser cut. They're like wood pieces, but I was thinking they would be great to use as stamps in your DIYs, and definitely some good options. If you love seeing Dollar Tree shop with me videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And if you're not subscribed already, make sure you're subscribed. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. All right, so I'm still in the craft section, you guys, and there's a 2-pack of large labels. These have like dry erase on them. They also come with chalkboard. These would make awesome labels for like your larger baskets. This is a great size, and I feel like it's still a really good deal. Ooh. You could make little ceramic signs out of these. Oh, I found these online too. These are those letter tiles, you guys. These would be so fun to craft with. Dollar Tree's also carrying 18 by 21 inch fabric squares. These look to be cotton, and so these would be great to add to your crafts, and you can pick it up at one store. Love that. This craft section just keeps getting better and better. I just spotted some cutting tools. You guys know what cutting tools these are for. $1.25, great deal. So the paint scrapers here, I really love. I use these a lot when I'm DIYing, and for some reason I can't find mine that looks like this. So if you're needing something to kind of like pull labels up or do different crafts, these are a great option. All right, new at Dollar Tree, they have these mop and broom holders. These can be so much more expensive if you buy them online or at Walmart. You can hang them on your wall in your closet to store all your brooms. So Dollar Tree's now carrying name brand hand soap refills. These have quite a bit, 32 fluid ounces in here. So that's a pretty good deal for $1.25. If you guys have made it this far in the video, make sure to go down in the comments and comment the word of the day, which is summer. So on Dollar Tree's website, their new minis candies are new for the summer. So I'm over in the barbecue section. They have this section every year. I always grab the bamboo skewers, this like smaller size, because this is the time of year they have them. But my favorite item that you have to pick up are these large bamboo skewers. They're such a good deal, even at $1.25. You get 12 of them. These are awesome for crafts. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. I'm super excited about these. Look at these little cute containers, you guys. They have it in blue, pink, and then kind of this, I don't know, it's almost like an orangey brown color, but these would be so cute as kitchen decor. I need to get some of these ramekins. I'm out of them at my house. You get a 4-pack of glass. I think that's a good deal. I always love looking in the organization, the food storage, because for summer they always put out new colors. They have this like baby blue and this kind of like peachy orange color in these 2 Sure Fresh containers. They also have these containers in like a fun hot pink, and they also have this kind of like teal color as well as this royal blue. I love some of these new totes they have out for summer. Wouldn't this be cute? $1.25. They have it in green. There's also this pink one down here. And then I'm liking this blue one as well. At the front of my store in like the Mother's Day section, they have a bunch of gift bags out that are really cute. That would be great for any of your gifts. Most of them are a pack of 2, or the smaller ones come in a pack of 3. If you're planning any bleaching or tie-dyeing crafts this summer, Dollar Tree has t-shirts you can grab for $1.25. Okay, these are really fun, you guys. I just found these little pens that have squishies on the top of them. My girls would absolutely love these. Thanks for shopping with me today. I'd love to know what items you're gonna pick up at Dollar Tree, so let me know down in the comments, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.